Hi, my name is Ryan.DeAngelis. I'm here at the Guaranty RV Supercenter in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you a trailer that's one of our most popular under 20-foot trailers that we've been out without for quite a while. And I just got one in like this and another one that's got an off-road package called the Baja package. It's a 2021 Jayco J-Flight 195 RB. The Jayco J-Flight is the #1 selling travel trailer in the United States every year since 2005. So they've held the title for a pretty long time. When you're looking at stuff in this price range, most of it's kind of, flimsy and a little cheap and junky. This is not that. It's a nice, solid, well-built trailer that's not super expensive. If you want something fancier, they make that too. But for something for camping and something that's not going to break the bank, this is a really cool trailer. That's a 19-footer, so it's only 21 feet tip to tip from the front of the ball to the back of the spare tire in the back, and you're just right about 3,005 pounds on this thing too, so it's super light. You can pull with SUVs and the small pickups. So I'm going to show you some stuff on the inside. Follow me. Alright, what's very popular with this unit for something this size is that it's got the walk-around queen bed. That's kind of the crown jewel of this unit. When you're looking at stuff around this 19-foot range, a lot of times they put the bed sideways and you got to crawl over one person to get out in the middle of the night. This has a walk-around queen bed. You have a dinette here that can make into a second bed as well if you need that. The kitchen area's got a nice counter space. You got a fridge. You got a microwave with an exhaust vent. You have AC in this unit. In the back, you have a bathroom. Actual real bathroom, not a wet bath like some of the small stuff will have. So it's got a separate shower and a separate toilet. And then you have this closet in the very, very back here that's got a ton of extra storage in here. There's also other areas in here that have a good amount of storage. That whole bed lifts up in the front. You have storage there that's also accessible from the outside. Alright, there's a whole bunch of more stuff I want to show you on this unit, so give me a call. My number is 541-525-4001. My name is Ryan.DeAngelis from the Guaranty RV Supercenter in Junction City, Oregon. Talk to you later.